Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to spooky season. Now this isn't really like a spooky type of video, but these shades that I'm showing you are for Halloween and they go really well. And it's also not something I normally talk about, and that is nail varnish. Like, I do actually paint my nails quite a bit. I don't always have them done when I'm filming for some reason. I don't really know why. It always seems to come off just before. But anyway, the brand I'm showing you is Cienna Rose. And they are enriched nail lacquer. Just look how cute this box is that this came in. And there's also a single as well. And the single is the Plump It Up High Shine Gel Effect Top Coat for all nail types. And it's also enriched with Pro Vitamin B5, Vitamin E and lemongrass oil, which are all actually really good for your nails anyway. And it is also, the whole brand is vegan friendly, not tested animals and cruelty free. And of course on the box it tells you exactly how to use it and apply 2 coats after using a nail polish. And then this is the little polish. Obviously it's just a gel coat so you can't really see it, but it's like embossed actually on the bottle. It says Cienna Rose and I love the design of it, like this little stopper is quite cute. But anyway, that is just the gel top coat. And now in this box we have 3 more colours. Just look how gorgeous this orange is for Halloween. Like, that is amazing. But this first one here is Under the Stars. And it's like a navy blue glitter. And it has big pieces of glitter in it and also smaller chunks. And then we also have Black Diamond, which is obviously black, but it does have silver glitter pieces in it. I think that is really nice, especially if you've been like a vampire or something for Halloween. That would look so amazing on your nails. Maybe mix with that navy one, maybe do alternate nails, your ring finger just one of the different colours. And also lastly is this gorgeous orange, and this is called Pumpkin Pie, which is just the perfect name for this. It is this bright orange and it has silver glitter pieces in it. I don't think I've ever done my nails orange before, but I will be now. So what I'm thinking to do with my nails is to use the orange pumpkin pie spice on all my nails, and then maybe for my ring finger, I don't know which one. Either the black or the navy. I'm not entirely sure which one yet, but that is my idea. But I thought I would try and film me painting my nails. I know it's not the easiest thing to do and I've never done it before, but I will have a go.